Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how you can easily adjust the font size on the Aloha Browser app. This simple trick can make reading websites more comfortable and improve your browsing experience. First, open the Aloha Browser app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the Settings icon. After that, tap on Appearance to open its options. After that, scroll down until you find the Website Font Size option. Click on Website Font Size to access the slider control. Now drag the slider to adjust the font size according to your preference. As you move the slider, you will notice the text size changes instantly, making it easier to read content on any website. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.